So, what do you guys want to do today?
Sleep with your mom?
What the hell?
Will you be my Valentine?
Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, Carl, this is what? So.
I sprayed it with my home.
Hi, Mrs. Neutron. So, what do you guys want to do today?
Your mom?
Guys.
Oh shit, here we go again.
So, what do you guys want to do today?
I want to talk to fish! I want to talk to fish! That is the lamest thing I've ever heard. What dunderhead would want to talk to a bunch of stupid fish?
Give me that! Oh, hey, you little
Fingers!
Hi. Do you like burning oil? Little burning oil. Shooting.
Stop the world! I want to get off!
Oh, hey, you little
Spaghetti!
Hey there, ready? Hey,
Mama?
if you want to find my sunken treasure chest, you'll have to try better than that.
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Rock and roll!
Alright! 1, 2, 3.
Fuck!
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Shut the fuck up.